Hey, first grade, let's do our science lesson for the day. We are now working in Unit 4. This is Lesson 1 in your science workbook. Unit 4 is all about Earth's resources. And Lesson 1 is, what can we find on Earth? So as we're reading, think about this question. The Great Sphinx was built long ago. It was built from blank. So as we're reading, listen to see if you can figure out what the Sphinx, the Great Sphinx, was built from. Looking down at the bottom of our page, let's write our vocabulary words. The first word is soil, rock, and natural resource. Natural resource is too big for me to write on one line, and that's okay. Okay, and remember, you can always pause and play the video as needed. Let's go on to our next page. All natural. What do you use from Earth? You use natural resources. A natural resource is anything from nature that people can use. Air. Air is a natural resource. We breathe air. Wind is moving air. This hang glider uses wind to move. A wind farm changes wind into useful energy. Energy gives light and heat to homes. So let's draw a line under our main idea. Air is a natural resource. Water. Water is a natural resource. We use water in many ways. Label each picture and tell how people use water. We can use water when we are bathing our dog or ourselves, right? For drinking, traveling, and watering our flowers or our plants. Okay, let's go on to our next page. Plants and animals. Plants and animals are natural resources too. We use them for food. We also use them to make clothes and other things we need. Look at the pictures. Circle the good that we get from each plant or animal. We make socks from cotton. Because we get socks from cotton, we need to make sure we circle it. We make wood toys from trees. We make food from tomatoes. We make a sweater from a sheep's wool. We make cheese from a cow's milk. We get eggs from a hen. Let's go on to our next page. Rocks. Rocks are a natural resource. A rock is a hard, non-living object from the ground. We use rocks to build things. So this house is made from rocks. Let's find the sentence that tells the meaning of a rock and underline it. A rock is a hard, non-living object from the ground. Soil. Soil is a natural resource, too. Soil is the top layer of Earth. We use soil to grow plants. We can also use it to make things. We can use bricks for building. So how is this boy using soil? He is using soil to grow a plant. Sum it up. Solve the riddle. How are a rock, water, and a tree alike? They are all what? Natural resources. Circle a way people use each natural resource. Animal. Is that an egg or an apple? An egg. Is a rock ketchup or to make a sculpture? A sculpture. Do we use water to make a toy or to drink? To drink. And And soil. Do we use that to grow flowers and plants or to make a sweater? To grow our flowers and plants. Good job. The next page. You will need a red, green, brown, and blue crayon. For the first item, you will color it red. So what fruit comes from a plant? An apple. And you will need to color that red in your picture. What other resources are plants? The grass and the tree. What resource is an animal? The cow. And remember, you're just answering these questions from looking at the picture. What resources do we drink? Water. Good job. Okay, after filling in all those blanks, you will use your red, green, brown, and blue crayons to color in your picture at the bottom. Looking at our very last picture, fill in the organizer. Write the names of natural resources. I already see the word plants, so I'm not going to write that again. Animals, rocks, soil, air, and water. Great job, first grade. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for listening and following along. If you missed something, make sure you go back and you rewatch it. I will see you later.